Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the throttle cable on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled and the on-off switch is in the off position. Now loosen the mounting screw to release the air filter cover and pull out the air filter. Use a T25 Torx bit screwdriver to unthread the carburetor mounting bolts. Separate the air filter housing and bolts from the carburetor. If still intact, detach the throttle cable from the linkage. Remove the old cable from the carburetor. Install the new throttle cable by inserting the barrel end through the carburetor cable guide. Confirm that the swivel is properly positioned, then depress the throttle lever and align the cable in the swivel. Now attach the new cable to the throttle linkage. Confirm that the cable is aligned with the groove in the cable guide. With the filter housing aligned on the mounting bolts, slide the carburetor onto the bolts, followed by the intake manifold gasket. Now thread the bolts into the carburetor spacer and tighten to secure the assembly. Realign the air filter on the filter housing. Reposition the cover and tighten the screw to secure.